and today we have and today is video 4, and today we'll show you how to make coconut macaroons bar. And today we have a spoon, a bowl, and salt, condensed milk, vanilla extra, and chocolate chips, and coconut flakes, and electric blender, and the cup. And we're gonna make coconut macaroons bar. It's gonna be very tasty. And she got everything ready. Let's pour the coconut inside the bowl. Is it all done?
Yes.
Done. 1 teaspoon of salt. Going on. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. 1 cup of flour. 3/4 of condensed milk. And you're gonna mix it together now. That's my favorite part. Let's start. I know it gets a little messy. I'm gonna put a little bit flour. Let's mix everything get everything like this. You get this paper in a Pyrex tray, and let's start rolling now. Is this too tiny or is this perfect? Perfect, Dad?
Yes, I think it's perfect.
And now, let's make another one. And don't forget to wash your hands. Make sure. I call it a triangle donut. It's just so sticky.
Triangle donut?
Yeah. It's just one in the world.
Oh. Let's see it. Show us the next triangle donut.
Okay, it's more easier. You just have to make it so like this. And these two parts together and you made a triangle donut. How to make it more easier than the circle, but it's a little bit hard in triangles. I can make a circle is more easier. I say.
Whoa, look at all these macaroons we just rolled. Oh man, and we have sprinkles?
Yes.
Let me see those. Cool, what do we have to do next?
Now we are done rolling. Prepare your oven 3,000 degrees to 350 degrees. And decorating with sprinkles and chocolate chips. And now we're going to decorate our macaroons ball. And look at all these sprinkles we have. And also chocolate chip. So tasty.
Let's do it. Let's put it on.
And you give the chocolate chip out of the sprinkles.
Okay.
Okay, Dad?
Yes. Let's do it. Let's decorate these macaroon balls. Can't wait to get them done. You think they'll be super tasty?
Yes, I think. Yes, I do.
Super or a little bit?
Super. Oops, this one takes off. I'll help you. Oops, it takes off. I'll get it. This is so sucky.
And, oh look, you have heart sprinkles. Let's get those hearts in there.
I got a heart.
Oh, let's see it.
I'll put my favorite one in this. I like this one. Oh, I have a good idea. We can sprinkle it on them. Sticking.
Fantastic idea.
Come on, get a sprinkle with a sprinkle. Oh, I have a better way. We can roll it like this. We want you. Oh, under the face. We want you. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Look, I made. I hear the duck, the duck. I hear the duck. Look, and this one has more sprinkles.
Great idea. Get those sprinkles in there. Squishy, squishy, wishies.
Here I am.
And I'll put these chocolate morsels on. Stick them up.
Sounds a good idea. This one is already done, and now it's ready to go.
Ooh, is that your donut macaroon?
Yes, it is.
Oh, fantastic.
I made them more prettier.
Isn't it nice baking? You can just decorate any type of way you want. Like a pancake.
I'm almost done with the sprinkles.
You think we need more? Where's that one gonna go?
Here.
Fantastic.
Wait.
What?
Heart.
Ooh, nice. I like the hearts.
Oh, I have much better way. You can just put the sprinkles inside the macaroon ball, and then you can feel the sprinkles. Sounds a great idea.
That's super. How'd you think of that idea?
I think of my mind.
Oh, imagination? Were you stopping at the imagination station?
Yeah, I stopped by.
Oh, nice. Did you get a souvenir?
Yes.
Was a souvenir a wonderful idea?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
The one with the sprinkles gets the chocolate chip. Okay, sounds a great idea.
Yes. Yes.
I'll get double.
And I'm just about finished with the last morsel. Gonna go right there with the little hat. How are you doing over there?
Good. Done. Now this is all done.
All done.
Do you know I have a crazy wig tooth coming out? Starting. It's on the bottom. Now we put them in the oven. Oh, it's delicious. It looks delicious than I expected. It is more tastier when I expected. It's delicious. Now we put them in the bag. Now we are done, and this can be a gift for your friends and family. And this is the end of the video. See you in video 5. And subscribe and thumbs up. Goodbye.